The Import-Export section has multiple uses. The Import All Presets function is used to import a single file containing multiple presets into the amplifier. This will overwrite all existing presets. Press the top Import button located next to the words All Presets. Select the Local option and navigate to the desired file. Only files containing the extension ALLEQS can be imported. Double-click on the file and a message will appear indicating that the import process was successful. All EQ presets contained within the imported file will now be available to select, edit, or assign to an output channel. The Import Single Preset function is used to import a single preset. Using this function will overwrite only the preset that is currently selected in the menu above. Press the bottom Import button located next to the words Single Preset. Select the Local option and navigate to the desired file. Only files that contain the extension EQS can be imported. Double-click on the file and a message will appear indicating that the import process was successful. Click here to return to the previous screen. The imported EQ preset will now be available in the previously selected slot. The export functions can be used to export one or all of the presets stored in the amplifier and save them onto a local computer. Press the top Export button and all presets will be saved into an individual file. This can be useful for scenarios in which several custom presets need to be imported into additional amplifiers. It is always a good idea to use this function after spending time building custom EQ presets. It will ensure that a backup file is available in case it is ever needed. Additionally, a single preset can be exported. This is useful when a custom preset has been built and needs to be imported into additional amps. Pre-built DSP presets for all Sonance speaker models can be downloaded from sonance.com. From the homepage, select Electronics, Amplifiers, DSP Amplifiers. Scroll to the list of downloads at the bottom of the page and click on Updated Sonance Speaker EQ Presets. This will download a folder containing all presets.